so just getting out for a little nature. Hello everybody, I'm at the Nature Center today along the Kalamazoo River. Just gonna be doing a little exploring, hiking. This is my old stomping grounds from when I was younger. Hope you enjoy the video. I don't know if you can see the fish in the water. Some geese and goslings. I just love this path. Man, you can see all the way down there. Pretty neat. The way it's like a tunnel going through here. And I just found some litter. I think I'm gonna pick up some litter. Just always try to do what you can for some place like this that's willing to let you come here and explore and stuff. Important if you're anywhere in a habitat area like this. If you break trail, just tread really lightly. Just try not to disturb anything. Walk through the raspberries and knock them over the raspberries, or disturb any of the natural habitat. Again, some more litter that needs to be collected. I think that might be my goal for today, collect a little litter. I think I smell fatwood around here. It just looks like a fatwood haven. We used to call this Michigan hemp. Michigan hemp. Little eggshell. Don't know what kind of bird, but want a bunny rabbit. Big one. Just hopping along. And look at this great big open area. It's just beautiful. Just another great big open field over here. Beautiful. I think these might be fiddlehead ferns. I'm not really sure. If anybody knows if these are fiddleheads, let me know. Just wondering what kind of machine this is over here. It's some sort of machine. Huh. If anybody knows what kind of machine this is, try to get a shot of it from the other side. Here's the piece of machinery from the other side. Huh. Who knows? One thing, I certainly got my however many steps you're supposed to get in today. It's beautiful though. Couldn't ask for much nicer weather. Beautiful day in the woods. Plenty of woods too. Novice could easily get lost back here. There's quite a lot of land back here. I know my directions though. I could have got the rabbit on camera. It was pretty difficult though. Look at this pine. Imagine the fatwood that thing houses. Yeah, just a beautiful tree. Well, it was a fun little trek through the woods. To tag a tree is just a jerk. What an ass. Little minnow action. Where'd they go? I think he's over here somewhere. It's hard to look for him through the phone, and yeah, he's gone. Scared him off. Pretty neat little area of the Kalamazoo. It's gonna be the end of the video, I think. My memory's almost full and my battery's about to die, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.